morning, everybody. Welcome to another installment edition episode of Homestead Rehab here at Old Oaks Farm. I'm Shannon, and we got a lot going on. Today is the Wednesday before Thanksgiving Day, and I'm thankful for you. I'm grateful that you've decided to join us in our little adventure of getting this homestead rehabbed. A lot of things going on the next couple of days. It's just work. We've got trying to move in on Friday. That's 2 days from now. This coming Friday, we're going to try to get moved in, and we got a lot to do between now and then. So we've got touching up. We're still working on the beams, trying to get them finished. Mostly just touching up, caulking, painting. A little bit more caulking and painting of the trim baseboards in the living room. And then we're going to move in. It's not finished. It's not finished at all, but we're going to get moved in. Everything will be finished except for 2 rooms. The dining room office space that we have in here is not anywhere close to being finished, and the master bathroom has a lot of work still to do. But we have one working bathroom. We're going to have the kitchen done. We're going to have both the bedrooms and the living room finished, so we're going to move in. We're having a little bit of trouble getting the drain for the kitchen sink just because of where everything's located. It's a lot of angles and things like that. We've got to get it all wrapped apart. So after about 5 trips to Home Depot, I'm sure we'll get it finished. I think there's a reason why plumbers have big vans full of parts. Cleaning, a lot of cleaning has to be finished before we can move in. We don't want to be in too much dust, and construction makes a lot of dust. So the cleaning will probably take a good half day to get all that. And then we're going to get, by Friday night, I want to be moved in. I want to sleep in this house on Friday night. So we'll see if that happens. Here's the dining room area, and as you can see, it's not even close to being finished. The office area is going to be up here, and then the dining room area will be here, and then we'll have a little wood stove or fireplace over here on this end. So what we're going to do is we're just going to cover up this opening. You can see the opening here. We're just going to put plastic over that, a black sheet of plastic, and just cover that up. Don't even get me started on the outside. It's got a lot of work to do on the outside, but thanks again for joining us. I'm grateful for you. It's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Good afternoon, Jolene. Where you been all day? You wanting to go in the house? Come here, Jolene. not moved in yet. I wanted to be moved in by now, but we just didn't make it. We got a lot done, but we're ready. Tomorrow, the weather's supposed to be better, and so we're going to try to get moved in tomorrow, start tomorrow morning, and we'll see how long it takes. But we are ready. We got the beams done, we got the sink in, and looks pretty good. Of course, there's a little bit of clutter because we're still cleaning out and everything, but we're ready. So thanks for coming along on this journey. Don't forget, if you want to keep up with what's going on here at Old Oaks Farm, hit that subscribe button. And so the next time you see us, maybe we will be official residents of Old Oaks Farm. Hope to see you then.